In today's video, I'll show you guys how to upload a link on your YouTube video description. Now, this is very easy. First, what you'd want to do is click on your icon, profile icon, then go to YouTube Studio. After your YouTube Studio comes up, go to Content, and then click on the video that you want to. Now there, you'll see the description to your video. Now you want to add the link. Now let me just pull up my Twitter account and go to my profile. Now let me just copy this and then paste it on here. Now make sure your HTTPS and / are always present on your YouTube video. And then after you've added this on your description, just click on Save Change. This should show on your YouTube video that you have changed your description and added a link. Let's go and see. There you can go. Let me just open up YouTube and then go to my channel. Just click on View Your Channel and then open the video. Now there you can see I've added the link, and that's it for the video, guys. And if your link is not clickable, make sure that you have made the one-time verification on. First complete it, then you will be able to make it clickable. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos.